Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the device is unlocked and battery is above 20%. Once done, open the Settings app and head directly to Network and Internet or Connections. This groups data controls. If you prefer, tap the search icon and type Data Saver to jump there faster. Make sure you have any mobile plan PIN or password ready in case carrier options appear. This step gets you to the exact control panel where Data Saver toggles and app-level permissions live. You now tap Data Saver and inspect the master switch at the top. Toggle it off to disable system-wide restrictions. This restores background data for apps and improves sync. Once done, review the apps with unrestricted data or app exceptions list and remove any entries you no longer want exempted. If your device shows a mobile data usage cap or battery optimization interfering, make sure those are set to allow background activity. This ensures apps can use data normally. You finish by restarting the device so changes fully apply. This clears transient restrictions. Once rebooted, open an app that previously hiccuped. Sync mail or stream short audio to confirm data flows normally. If you still see throttling or blocked transfers, check Carrier Data Saver features in your carrier app and any VPN or firewall that may enforce limits. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds and off again to force a fresh cellular registration, which
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.